Dear class 8 students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Today you are going to learn cloze test with clues. Now look at the board. Dear students, question number 1. At first you will read the words in the box and then fill in the gaps of the following passage. Prosper. 1. Duties. Opportunity, well, away, lost, fall, once, back, some, best. Time and tide wait for none. No dash can call it back. One can get his dash money and health, but cannot get dash his lost time. Time dash lost is lost forever. So we should make the dash use of time. We should do our dash properly. If we put off our work for tomorrow, we may not get an dash to do it at all. There are dash people who idle dash their time for nothing. They cannot dash in life. At first try yourself and then check the answers. Time and tide wait for none. No one can call it back. One can get his lost money and health, but cannot get back his lost time. Time once lost is lost forever. So we should make the best use of time. We should do our duties properly. If we put off our work for tomorrow, we may not get an opportunity to do it at all. There are dash people, some people who idle away their time for nothing. They cannot prosper in life. Okay. Now students, question number 2. At first read the words mayor, councillors, stranger, quickly, people, Germany, 2, happy, full, door, moment, not. Read the passage. Once the town of Hamelin in dash faced a great problem. It became dash of rats. So the people came dash the town hall. They asked the dash to do something about the rats dash. He called a meeting of the dash. Despite discussing the matter, they could dash find a way out. At that dash, there was a knock on the dash. The mayor said, "Come in." The dash entered the hall. Try yourself and then check the answers. Once the town of Hamelin in Germany. Faced a great problem. It became full of rats. So the people came to the town hall. They asked the mayor to do something about the rats quickly. He called a meeting of the councillors. Despite discussing the matter, they could not find a way out. At that moment, there was a knock on the door. The mayor said, "Come in." The stranger entered the hall. Now question number 3. The words are life, you, but, or, need, books, false, ready, come, books, you, will. Read the passage. Books are men's best friends in dash. You may have many good friends dash. You do not find them when dash need them. They may not always dash to you with sympathy. Again, 1-2 may prove false and do dash much harm. But books are always dash to be by your side. Some dash will make you laugh, some others dash give you much pleasure. Again, some dash will bring new knowledge and ideas. They are your real friends throughout your life. At first try yourself and then check the answers. Books are men's best friends in life. You may have many good friends, but you do not find them when you need them. They may not always come to you with sympathy. Again, 1 or 2 may prove false and do you much harm. But books are always ready. To be by your side. Some books will make you laugh, some others will give you much pleasure. Again, some books will bring new knowledge and ideas. They are your real friends throughout your life. Question number 4. For, was, limit, no, has, this, never, technology, known, now, carry, with. Man has an unquenchable thirst dash knowledge. In fact, he is dash satisfied with what he has dash and seen. He wants to dash more and more. Dash curiosity to know more, coupled dash his bold spirit of adventure dash inspired him to undertake and dash out difficult and dangerous tasks. Dash, man has already achieved what dash once inconceivable. Try yourself and then check the answers. Man has an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. Thirst for knowledge. In fact, he is never satisfied with what he has known and seen. He wants to know more and more. He wants to know more and more. This curiosity to know more, coupled with his bold spirit of adventure, has inspired him to undertake and carry out difficult and dangerous tasks. Now, man has already achieved what was once inconceivable. Question number 5. The words are have, wealth, also, which, who, easily, rocky, soft, think, generously, tools, soil. Nature has given her dash to us more dash than to many other countries of the world. Dash about our land. It is dash and fertile. Our farmers dash have only simple handmade dash, can easily dig, plow and prepare the soil with them, whereas soil dash is hard and dash cannot be dash dug and plowed. We dash a great natural advantage too. Try yourself and check the answers. Nature has given her wealth to us more generously than to many other countries of the world. Think about our land. It is soft and fertile. Our farmers who have only simple handmade tools can easily dig, plow and prepare the soil with them, whereas soil which is hard and rocky cannot be easily dug and plowed. We have a great natural advantage too. Okay, now dear students, I would like to give you a homework. You will try again to fill in the gaps and check the answers again. That's all for now. Thank you all. Stay home and stay safe.